What the heck? What is all this stuff? Well, it was all in my vinyl nail bag. And this thing got so full of dirt and dust and all kinds of stuff, wood shavings and stuff, when I was fixing the deck. You want to see what I did to my outside deck? Look under my playlists, drywall, dry rot deck repairs, and you'll understand why I had all that stuff in my nail bag. And it's time. This is a nylon nail bag instead of a leather one. And I figured I might as well pull everything out because all my tools, I had my cutters, and every time I set my crescent wrench in there, it would get down all in this grime. And to get my shaver out, my rasp, my pliers, all my stuff, any of my different knick-knack screws and stuff, my hands would get all dusty. And I thought, nothing doing. I just fixed my chatter on top of the car, and I thought I might as well clean this out and get this all nice and clean. So yeah, I just fixed the chatter on this car. I'm not going to show you what it is, but I just made it under, I don't know what heading I'm going to put it under. Fixing an annoying car rattle or something. And anyways, I thought I'll just spend the extra time and get all of my stuff cleaned up and ready to go for my next project. Hey, if you got a nail bag and you've got a nylon one, I love using the nylon ones rather than the leather ones. And but it's time to rinse it out. Now I've got a utility sink over here, and oh man, can't lift this. I've got a 5-gallon bucket that I just filled up with water. Whew. And I'm gonna put my nail bag in it. I could rinse this out outside. We had a hose. I've got a hose, but it's downstairs, and I'll get all muddy. So I figured I'd just do it in here. And then after I get, I got most of the stuff out, but I don't want to rinse this out inside the utility sink, because all of that dust and all those particles, anything that goes down your trap, your drain, it's going to get caught up in your trap underneath. And so, don't do stuff like that. I'm going to kind of do this first, and then I'll rinse up the rest of it in the sink, knowing that look how dirty that is. Knowing that I won't get any junk down the drain. Could I do this with a leather nail bag? Yeah, probably. I'm even gonna do a once over on this. Boy, the inside of this is all dirty. Just my simple green. If I was really energetic, I could get my cleaning toothbrush. But I don't want to go inside. You know what? I might have one right under here. No, I don't think I have one over here. I should have one over by the utility sink, huh? I've got it. I don't have to get this perfect. I've got other stuff in here, some paint and different things. It's not about that. It's just about getting this a lot cleaner than it was before. That's way better. tools back into it. It's not going to hurt a thing because it's nylon. Look at that. Looks way better already. It's going to be nice and clean on the inside. See how dirty my water got? Look at that. Now I'll do a once over on this in the utility sink, rinse out any more dust and grime that I have left in there, knowing that whatever I put down the sink now won't clog it up or anything. And then all this stuff, before I sweep it up, I'm gonna go through it because I just used some washers on that little job, and I can see them all kind of in this dirt and stuff. So I'm gonna sift through this a little bit. Oh boy. I've got some water going on over here, and it's gonna get into my stuff over here. Damn it. Okay. What not to do, right? Okay. Just build a little dam here. So it can't go beyond this point. And then I can finish with that later. So yeah, that's just a quick thing on nail bags. And what else can I tell you about this nail bag? See these handles? Oh, those are the handiest things. When I get ready to put my nail bag on, I can hang on to the handles, put it on, and then when I take it off, I can undo it and grab it with one hand, carry it around. You try lifting a nail bag every day like that with a full load of tools. At the end of the day, when you're all tired, it's kind of hard to do. And I ended up having a lady that I knew who fixed shoes. I had her put these in. And I used to be able to see these over at Home Depot. They used to have some, I don't know what brand they were, and they had the little straps here. And last time I went over there, I thought maybe I'll get one of those and I'll go ahead and throw this one away or save this as a backup. But this one's still in good shape. And after I couldn't find one, I thought I'll just keep this one, and I'm glad she sewed these in, and she had me kind of test this. She kind of actually sewed in so I can't really slide the bags around anymore. And so if you're gonna have somebody do that, make sure you have this all adjusted on you before they mark it so that they don't set your bags like, oh, I wish the bag was to the left, 2 inches. Now I can't do it unless I slide my belt around or whatever, sideways or something. And so anyways, that's what I ended up having her do. Works great. Okay, and I like this. They used to have the belt and the loops and stuff, and this you can just adjust it from the side and push the excess into there. And it's way easier to put on and off. Okay, that's all I got to tell you about nail bags and keeping things clean. All right. Thanks for joining me.